Hi guys, this is just a brief video, and Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for coming into my YouTube channel and for allowing me to be a part of your family and for allowing me to inspire as many as you as I can to get out there and get healthy. And that's what the bottom line is, to get out there and get healthy. Today I noticed, after being interviewed by the Ketogenic Woman last night, Anita and I did a great job doing an interview with me, and I just reached 900 subscribers. So let's keep the ball rolling, and once I get to 1,000 subscribers, then I'm going to start doing some giveaways from time to time. So I'll probably have 2 giveaways once I get 1,000 subscribers, and don't know what they're going to be yet, but I'll let you know. But again, thank you so much, and love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys.